Okay, so we are heading out to go camping now. This is the start of the vlog. It's gonna be good. Yeah, so we're going camping, lots of fishing. I will be joined by my new manager slash, manager slash editor, and I'm kind of his boss. Journeyman JJ, he quit his YouTube channel to work for me, so it's gonna be a good experience. You guys will get to meet him a bit better. It'll just be awesome.
You're making me forget it.
Check the tire too, see the pressure on
So we are here at the campsites. We have that one down there, these two, and that's basically it. So the kids, here, I'll give you a tour. So the kids, meaning Abby, Liam, Ava, me, and JJ. So me and JJ are gonna set up a tent probably around here. They're all gonna have a tent down there. So that's gonna be good. So JJ and Liam's parents, we were thinking could easily just go over here. We're not trying to force them, but like that would work out good. Down there is gonna be the eating spot. It's pretty big down there. That's basically it. Okay, we are heading down to check out the dock.
I thought it was really good.
So this is my new editor.
Yep, I'm happy to work for him. I used to have my own channel, but then I was just like, I'm not going anywhere with this, so I decided to join my good friend, Nathaniel.
Yeah, so it is a beautiful sunset here. We are down in the Cape. That's the dock over there. I didn't show it because we couldn't go on because there were a ton of people on, whole family, but they caught a smallmouth bass, which was cool. Even though it doesn't say that they have it, they caught one. What?
You keep doing like, you're like this. Yeah. There's a lot of bugs here.
Chatty with the melody. I can sing to birds. I can see at night underwater, and that's it.
Basically we're...
You're filming it. You're
What?
filming it.
No, this is my flash. No, this is my flashlight.
I'm just talking.
See?
You're filming it.
I'm just talking to Nate. No, I'm just talking to Nate. Okay, basically, so we're just coming back from the pond. I can't really see it all, but we're coming back from the pond and we're going back to the campsite. Get the flash out of my face.
Okay.
Yeah, I honestly don't know where this vacation will take us. That's all I have to say.
Okay. JJ interview. Come on. Go.
Camping's been pretty fun so far. We've just we went fishing, but we didn't catch anything. I'm excited for tomorrow because we'll have the whole day to do stuff, and hopefully Liam stops being annoying. And yeah, I'm just excited for tomorrow. And yeah, Liam, stop messing with the camera.
It's
Stop.
a blue and purple light.
Okay, cool.
He thinks he's funny. He's not funny. Please.
Go.
Right now.
Yep.
So,
Right. Can you just talk?
okay. So, this has been very, very fun so far. The campsites are nice, and the kids have their own tents. And I just think that what I'm looking forward to is catching a bunch of fish.
Cool. Go.
It's been nice. I mean, everything's quiet, and you have no crazy cars going down and up the street, and you have no people that are yelling at each other. But other than that, I love the new vacation, and it's really nice.